If you ever come to Ho Chi Minh City, you have to try this restaurant. It's a Korean and Vietnamese style restaurant, and the staff was so lovely. I decided to get the black bean noodles, or in Vietnamese, mì Dong Dan, I believe it's called. Yes, I use chopsticks with both hands. Just kidding. Let's begin. Wow. Wow. Muy bien. And while you're watching me eat, I'm gonna put some music over.
Vietnamese, 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 Vietnamese.
I have no idea what this is, but if someone could tell me in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. It tasted quite nice.
Vietnamese, Vietnamese, Vietnamese.
Yeah, so if you ever come to Ho Chi Minh City, give Chuan Chi Champong a try. I messed that up.
Truyền thuyết Champong.